In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a line of credit account in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a powerful accounting tool that helps businesses of all sizes manage their finances efficiently. Whether you're tracking expenses, creating reports, or organizing your accounts, QuickBooks has you covered. Today, we'll walk through the steps to set up a line of credit account, which is essential for tracking loans or credit lines accurately within your financial system. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a registration link in the description below to get started. Let's dive in. To begin, open your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look to the upper right corner of the screen and locate the gear-shaped icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down list of options. From this menu, find and select the option labeled Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is where all your financial accounts are listed and organized, making it an essential part of your bookkeeping setup. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, look to the top right corner of the screen again. You'll see a button that says New Account. Click on this button to start creating your line of credit account. Next, it's time to enter the details for your new account. Start by giving it a clear name. For example, you might call it Line of Credit, or you could include the name of the bank or the purpose of the credit line for added clarity. Choose a name that helps you quickly identify what this account represents. After naming the account, you'll need to set the account type. From the drop-down menu, select Long-Term Liabilities. This category is used to track debts or obligations that you expect to pay off over a longer period, such as loans or credit lines. Then, move on to the detail type. For this step, choose Notes Payable from the available options. This ensures that your account is categorized correctly for reporting and tracking purposes within QuickBooks. Once you've double-checked the details, click the Save button. This will finalize the creation of your line of credit account, and it will now appear in your chart of accounts, ready for use in your bookkeeping. And that's it. You've successfully created a line of credit account in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.